Want to start making passive income through investing but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to earn your first $1,000, even if you're a complete beginner. Passive income is crucial for financial freedom, allowing you to earn money while you sleep. In this video, we'll cover various methods like stock investments, real estate, and online businesses. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal my #1 passive income investment that's working right now. First, let's define passive income. It's money you earn without actively working, like dividends from stocks, rental income, or even interest from savings. Examples of passive income investments include stocks that pay dividends, real estate rentals or REITs, index funds and ETFs for long-term growth, and high-yield savings and bonds for stability. Peer-to-peer lending platforms where you can earn interest by lending money to others, royalties from books, music, or online courses, and affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions by promoting products or services. Automated online businesses such as e-commerce stores can also generate passive income. Now let's break down a realistic strategy to make your first $1,000 in passive income. Step 1. Start with dividend stocks. Dividend stocks pay you a portion of company profits regularly. Some of the best ones include Apple, Coca-Cola, or the VOO ETF. Investing $5,000 in a 4% dividend stock equals $200 per year in passive income. Reinvest that, and it compounds over time. Step 2. Invest in ETFs for stability. ETFs like VTI and SPY provide steady returns while diversifying your risk. Step 3. Consider real estate or REITs. If you can't buy property, invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts like Fundrise. They pay passive income just like real estate. Step 4. Open a high-yield savings account. These accounts offer higher interest rates than regular savings accounts, providing a safe and steady income. Step 5. Explore peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. Step 6. Create and sell digital products. Digital products like ebooks or online courses can generate passive income with minimal ongoing effort. Now you're probably wondering, how long until you reach $1,000? If you invest $100 a month in a 7% return portfolio, you'll hit $1,000 in passive income in 3 to 5 years. If you start with $5,000, you'll get there even faster through compounding. The key is starting now and being consistent. For example, if you invest $200 a month in the same 7% return portfolio, you could reach $1,000 in just 2 to 3 years. The more you invest and the earlier you start, the quicker you'll achieve your passive income goals. Ready to start investing? Check out my full beginner's guide on the best passive income investments here. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite way to earn passive income? Let's talk. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for more investing tips. Explore our online courses and webinars for in-depth learning. Use our free financial tools to plan your investment journey. Share this video with friends and family who want to grow their wealth. Remember, the key to financial freedom is starting early and staying consistent. We covered the importance of diversifying your income streams, investing in stocks, real estate, and other assets. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll hit financial freedom. Keep investing wisely, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next one. While the journey to passive income sounds promising, it's essential to acknowledge the risks and challenges that come with it. Not every investment will yield the expected returns, and markets can be volatile. For example, real estate investments can be affected by economic downturns, and stock market investments can experience significant fluctuations. To mitigate these risks, diversification is key. Spread your investments across various asset classes to reduce potential losses. Additionally, always conduct thorough research before committing your money, and consider consulting with financial advisors to make informed decisions. Remember, patience and continuous learning are crucial. Stay updated on market trends and be prepared to adjust your strategies as needed. By understanding the risks and planning accordingly, you can navigate the challenges and move closer to achieving your passive income goals. Stay informed, stay cautious, and keep investing wisely. With a balanced approach, the path to financial freedom is within reach. Now, let's hear from individuals who have successfully navigated the world of passive income and achieved remarkable results. These stories serve as a testament that with the right strategies and mindset, financial freedom is attainable. Clip Testimonial 1. Voiceover. Meet Sarah, a single mother who turned her passion for writing into a steady stream of passive income. Sarah, voiceover. I started publishing ebooks on Amazon 3 years ago. It was slow at first, but with consistent effort, I now earn over $2,000 a month. It's given me the freedom to spend more time with my kids and pursue other interests. Clip Testimonial 2. Voiceover. Next, we have Mark, who leveraged his savings to invest in dividend-paying stocks. Mark, voiceover. I was skeptical at first, but I started small and diversified my investments. Over time, my portfolio grew and now I earn around $1,500 each month in dividends. It's a great feeling to see my money working for me. Clip Testimonial 3. Voiceover. Finally, let's hear from Lisa and John, a couple who invested in rental properties. Lisa and John, voiceover. We bought our first rental property 5 years ago. It was a learning curve, but now we own 3 properties that generate a significant passive income. It's allowed us to travel more and plan for early retirement. These success stories highlight the potential of passive income. While the journey may have its challenges, the rewards can be life-changing. Remember, every success story starts with a single step. Start your journey today, and who knows, you might be the next success story we feature. Stay inspired, stay dedicated, and keep moving towards your passive income goals. Congratulations on making it this far. Now take the first step on your passive income journey. Identify your interests and skills. Choose a path that aligns with your strengths. Educate yourself. Knowledge is your greatest asset. Dive into books, online courses, and podcasts. Start small with low-risk investments. Use platforms like Robinhood or E*Trade. Diversify your investments. Leverage technology to your advantage. Join communities and seek mentorship. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay informed, and stay persistent. Ready to take the next step? Check the description box below for resources. Start today and let's build a prosperous future together. The future of passive income is evolving, presenting new opportunities and challenges. Emerging trends like blockchain, DeFi, and the gig economy are reshaping investment strategies. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies revolutionize passive income. DeFi offers innovative ways to earn interest and stake tokens. The gig economy and digital platforms create new income avenues. Platforms like Teachable and Patreon empower creators. Sustainable investing aligns with values and offers returns. AI and machine learning enhance investment strategies. The metaverse offers unique investment opportunities. Embrace innovation and diversify to secure your financial future. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights on building a prosperous future. Together, let's unlock new opportunities for financial freedom.